there, friends. Welcome to preschool with Miss Mozingo. It's time for circle time. Are we ready to get started? Let's stand up and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Everybody ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. And today is the 8th day of May. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Whoops, wrong button. There we go. Snap those fingers. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday.
And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, it is Friday, May 8th, 2020. Tomorrow is Saturday, the 9th, and then Sunday is the 10th, and you'll be right back here on Monday with Mrs. Hill. Let's take a look at our pattern, our blue and pink flowers. So first we have pink, then we had blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What's going to come next? Blue, that's exactly right. You are so smart. What's coming after blue? Pink. And what about on Sunday? What flower is going to be here? Blue. Yes. And Sunday is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all those moms out there. All right, let's take a look at the weather. We said it was going to be partly sunny, and it's really not even partly sunny. It's just cloudy right now. Pretty sure it's going to rain. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put up the cloudy right now. And let's look at our prediction for tomorrow. What kind of weather are we going to have for our first day of the weekend? Sunny, sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. I heard someone say sunny. Ooh, I hope so. That sounds great. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. Ready? We're going to count to 20. Now, my morning friends, they hopped on 1 foot. And they did it to 15. Do you think you're going to hop on 1 foot 20 times? That's a lot. Do you accept that challenge? Let's see if you can do it. Here we go. Lift up 1 foot, balance on the other, and let's hop and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Who made it? Let me get a woohoo if you made it all the way to 20. You should be very proud of yourself. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's look for some colors. How about purple? What is purple up here? It's fear. That's right. Fear is purple. How about something that is white? Can you find something white? The triangle is white. Very nice, friends. Looking for a shape that is gray. Can you find the gray shape? Yeah, there it is. It's the oval. How about the blue shape? Where's the blue shape? Ah, yes. The rectangle is blue. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is This Old Man, and we're going to watch the video today. Whoop, I can get it. Here we go.
Sing a song we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club. This old man. This old man came rolling home. I like your beard, Jack. Why, thank you. Let's count to 10 with this old man. He'll give his dog a bone, and we'll all go rolling home. 1. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 2. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 3. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 4. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 5. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hide with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 7. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 8. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 9. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 10. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
There you go. That was This Old Man. Now let's go ahead and look at our money. What is this one? Dime. Right here. Nickel. Penny. Quarter. Awesome. This number is 7, 1, 9, 4, 10, 6, 2, 8, 5, 3. We are reviewing our letters, so let's go ahead and sing about where we start them when we're making them. Got to remember, it's really important. We have to remember to start them at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
You get Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down.
Way down. Is that the
Bottom.
Yes, it's
The bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
You get Oz.
Where
Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top?
If
You want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down.
top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top? Yes.
It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Move to the rhythm.
All right. We're starting off with the letter N because we did M yesterday. So we'll grab our big line, put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Grab our big slide down. Big line up. And we've made the letter N. Let's say it together. Ready? Fingers at the top. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. We're going to make the letter V next. So we need 2 slides for that. One there and one here. We start under Mr. Matt's smiling face and we say, big slide down, big slide up. And V says, V. Now we're going to make W, which really you should think, I think it should be called a double V, not a W, but because what we're going to make is 2 V's side by side to make the letter W. So let's get those slides in there. Okay, there's one V. And there's the other one. 2 V's together make the letter W. And W says W, W, W. So to make the letter W, we say big slide down, big slide up, big slide down, big slide up. We never take our crayon or pencil off the paper when we write a W. It just goes big slide down, big slide up, big slide down, big slide up. Let's go on and make the letter X. We're going to take these 2 slides out and we're going to cross these 2 slides over to make the letter X. I'm going to tilt them just a little bit more to fit onto our mat and make the X. All right. So we have big slide down, frog jump over, big slide down for the letter X. The letter Y, we have a little slide in. Oops. Take you, little slide. Turn you around. Start off with our little slide in, and then a big slide down. So we say, little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. And our last but not least is Z. This missing is going to work quickly. To get that Z together, it's going to be a little line across, big slide down, little line across. Makes our letter Z. There we go. So little line across, big slide down, little line across. Z says Z. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for reviewing the letters with me, and I can't wait to see you to pick up your butterflies. Have a great day.